Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide an app's notification pop-up banners on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Notifications. Then in here, you want to go down and select an app. So for example, I'm going to choose Calendar, and in here go down to the Alerts section. If you do not like to receive calendar notifications in a pop-up banner, you can switch it off or turn it back on. So an example is if I go down to Messages and if I turn it on, now if I send myself a text message, you can see that a pop-up message will appear at the top, and that is the pop-up banner. So I have already sent myself a text message. Just give it a few moments for the text to arrive. Once it's arrived, it will pop up. So just gonna send myself a meaningful text message. So I just sent myself another text right now. Normally it arrives quite quickly. Not sure why right now there's a delay. Okay, so it's showing right now. And that's it. So you can see this is the pop-up banner right here. And that's how you can turn it on or turn it off in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.